Good morning, one and all. My name is Alampalli Akil. I am from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering and my roll number is 2095 I am related to the Aeronautical Engineering branch. And today in Mechanic of Solids, and my topic is comparing effectiveness of the measuring that improves the aircraft structural safety. First of all, I will give out a small introduction that aircraft structures. Aircraft structures are the traditionals being designed using the determined approach based on the Federal Aviation Administration regulation in the determinist approach safety of aircraft. And structural has been achieved by coming by a large number of measures include risk safety factors of 1.5 conserve materials properties a basic or B basic values tests and the restrictions. In addition, inspection and the quality controls along with the improved accurate of a structural analysis and the failure assessments are also amongst that improve the aircraft structural safety. Even though the determination of a design relates to the remarkable level of the safety for the aircraft structure, there is a growing interest in replacing safety factor by the variable based on the design. Lincoln 1980 instance SAE long to attain the same level of safety with lighter structures. Safety measures. As noted earlier, aircraft structural designs is still carried out by the using the code basics design rather than the probability design. Safety is improved. Safety is improved. Safety measures. As noted earlier, aircraft structural design is still carried out by the using the code based on the design rather than the probability design. Safety is an improved through the conserving design practices that includes the use of the safety factor and conserve the materials properties. Safety is also improved by the testing the components, reluctance and improved modeling to reduce this and improve the manufacturing to reduce the variability. The following gives a brief description of those safety measures. Road safety factors in transport aircraft FAA regulations state the use of the load factor 1.5 that is the aircraft structural are designed with the stand 1.5 times of the limit load without conserve material properties. In order to account for the uncertainty in the material property, FAA regulation states that the use of the conservative materials, the conservative material properties are characteristics as A-base or B-base material properties values and the use of A-base or B-base values depends upon the reluctance. The basic values are determined by the testing the number of opens selected at the random from the material which the A-base values is determined by calculating the value of material properties exceeded by the 99% population with the 95% confidence in tests. Test of a major structural components reduces the stake and the material uncertainty for giving the extreme loads due to the inadequate structural models. Those tests are concluded in the building blocks. First, individual components are tested and those are assembled is tested followed by a full-scale test of the entire structure in the paper. We only consider the final certification test for an aircraft. Other tests are assumed to be error reduction measures and their efficient is analyzed in depth by the considering the effect of error reductance. Transport airliners are designed with double and triple reluctance features in all major systems to minimize the failure probability. Reluctance is intended to ensure that a single component failure does not lead to catastrophic failure of the system. In the present work, we assume that the aircraft structure will fail if two local failures occur in the structure. Error reduction. Error reduction. Error reduction improves in accurate of the structural analysis and the failure predicting of aircraft structure reduces air errors taken into account. And next we assume that an aircraft structure will fail only if two local failure events occurs. For example, we assume that the wing will fail structurally if two local failures occur at the wing panel. The correction coefficient between the limit state function defining the probability of those two events is assumed to be 0.5. And error in construction. In addition to the above mentioned errors, there will also be construction errors in the geometrical pointers. Those construction errors represent the difference between the values of those parameters, where a proton equals to 1 plus E SFLPD by sigma of true, as the equation as follows on the screen. And here the total represents the cumulative effect of the individual errors on the load carrying capacity of the structural part. Total safety factor. The total safety factor SF of a structural part represents the effects of all safety measures and the errors of that prototype structural part. Without the safety measures and the errors, we would have a load carrying area A naught required to carry the design load PD by sigma F, where sigma bar F equal to average value of the failure stress. Then the total safety failure of a prototype structural component can be defined as the ratio A proto by A naught. SF equals to proto by A naught equals to 1 plus E total SFL by sigma bar F by sigma A total. Here we take SFL equals to 1.5, and the conservative material properties are based on the base value certificate testers. Add another layer of certificates. A structural with layer negative E total field certification, so the certification process adds safety by the base distribution of E total, denoting the area after certification by a certain. The total safety factor of a certified structure part is SF by A naught. And the variability. In the previous section, we analyzed the different types of errors made in the design and construction stages, representing the difference between the prototype with average values, geometry materials and load in the parameters and their corresponding design values for a given design. Those parameters vary from one aircraft to another in the feet due to variability in tooling, construction, flying environment. For instantaneous, the thickness of individual structural part treated in the defined terms a prototype with average value. Thank you for giving this opportunity.